Hey Juwan, this is John. Just following up with your video here. Just wanted to go over some basics of websites and what they can do for your business. So, just going to go over a few things and then you let me know if you're interested in talking about this a little bit more, and I'd be happy to help out. Um, so, the first thing that we look at when we type in a phrase in Google, like HVAC Dayton here, um, is first we'll see the ads here, and then we'll see um, the map pack here, and then we'll see the first organic searches. Now, typically, what you'll see is Yelp or even Home Advisor or things like that, and then you'll see your businesses that own their own websites, and then uh, it's important to note this. Ads are very, very successful, and if you do them right, they can work very well for you in Google and Facebook. But if you don't know what you're doing, they tend to take advantage of people and, you know, uh, suck down your money real fast. So it's important to have someone that knows what they're doing with that um, because it'll become a money pit real fast. So the first thing I want to talk about a little bit more extensively is the map pack right here. Since so many people look for businesses on uh, their phones, this is one of the first things that people will see. Not always, but a lot of the time it is. So it's important to be up here in the top three. And the way that works, and it's important to note, this is ranked separately from these. So it is different in how Google puts you up here or puts you up here. And I'm going to go into some more detail about this. So if we just click on Logan, which, it's not surprised they're up there, um, we can bring up their profile here. And they have all kinds of information um, about their business. And they have a lot of reviews here. That's pretty impressive. The more five-star reviews you have, the better. Um, and the more reviews you have on there, the better. So, also the photos are important here. What's more important though is that you have citations. So citations are basically your websites or your business rather. If your business has more listings and more directories, so things like yellow pages, Better Business Bureau, that sort of thing. You got to have more listings of your address, address, phone number, all that stuff for your business in different directories. So the more of those you have, the more Google likes it and the more it's inclined to put you up higher on the list. So going back to the organic searches here, like I said, the first thing that you'll usually see is Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, those types of sites, and then you'll see the top few here. Now, the goal is to be in the top five. Top three is even better, obviously, but top five or even the top 10, depending on the subject or the category, is very, very helpful to your business. You'll bring in a lot of traffic, which means more clients, which means more money. So we take a look at, I'm going to use my analytic tool here to show you what Baker Heating and Cooling is doing. And they are number three here. Technically the first, well, aside from Logan, um, technically the second one. So we'll look at this, and these are their analytics. So they had 186 people come to their website in the past month. This is updated every month, and they have 371 organic keywords and 227 backlinks with 54 referring domains. I'm not going to bore you too much with the this kind of stuff, but I will go over it in a little bit of detail. The organic keywords, we mentioned this earlier. This is what people type into Google, and this is where they rank on Google's servers according to their system. So the phrase Dayton HVAC, Ohio, says they have the number one position. which is technically true because Logan's page here isn't even their home page. It's one of their other pages on their website, because you can see the Logan services Dayton right there. So it's a back page. So technically, this is the first business that's listed there. So we can see 150 people looked up the term HVAC Dayton, Ohio. And then if we go down further, furnace repair Dayton, Ohio, 90 people looked up that. Baker Heating and Cooling, 250 people looked up Baker Heating and Cooling. So air conditioner repair Dayton, Ohio, which I'm sure is, these numbers are going to change during the summer, of course, being that the season is changing. Air conditioning repair Dayton, Ohio, heating and cooling Dayton, Ohio, 70. It goes on and on. HVAC Dayton, 40. You can just see this. Plenty of people that are searching for HVAC stuff and looking for terms to rank on. So we go back and we look at the backlinks. Backlinks are important. Keywords are basically what allow people to find you. Backlinks are what power the website, essentially. So when you attach your website to another, say you had a website and you attached it to Lowe's or something like that, you'd get some credit for that, and Google would start increasing your ranking for all those keywords further up the list, because Lowe's is a reputable site and business. So since you're associated with it now, you get some of that credit as well. It's kind of like a popularity contest. So the more credible, decent sites that you're attached to with your website being on their website, the more, the more rankings you get. So that's how Google ranks you, essentially. Is it takes those backlinks, it sees if you're attaching yourself to reputable, decent sites that have something to do with your business, and goes, oh, okay, this is a good new business that's on the rise, and we need to start putting them up there on our list. That is the gist of it. There's a little bit more to it than that, but not too much. So it's important to remember that, and that is how things work. If you like what you saw here, I'm more than happy to go over some more examples and show you some more stuff. But I hope for now that kind of shows you essentially what you need. One more point here I did not go over. Content on a website is what matters. So content meaning you need keywords built into your website, unless you've been around for a while, in which case Google knows who you are, and then you can just change your website however you want it. But it's important to have, words like Dayton HVAC or Dayton air conditioner repair, things like that, in your words, in your paragraphs on your homepage. Usually Google likes to see around 1,500 words on the front page, and then after that, every other page needs like 500 words. So it just depends. But if you've been on, the reason they don't have all that is because they've been around for a while and they're able to change things, and Google knows who they are. So that's important, and it's good to have all kinds of good content on your webpage in order for it to work and for Google to rank it. So I'm not going to take up any more of your time. This video is already getting near 10 minutes. So if you want to talk some more, if you are interested in having a website built, or you want to have a little bit more information given your way before you make any decisions, please let me know. I'd be happy to talk to you a little bit more. If not, I hope this information serves you well in the future, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.